Introducing Forex CFE Relentless and CFE Relentless Turbo Day Trading Signals Service. This video will give an overview and explain what's in the signal service. Ultimately, we have this system called CFE Relentless. It's in the category of high efficiency day trading. That means we day trade in roughly 2 minutes a night. And then we get out before the close the next day. All right, that's it. So we take the breakout. It's a buy stop to enter, a sell short stop to enter, stop. Then we put our stop loss in. You can bracket that out, and then you get out before close. And why is this? Because it's a particular system that is designed to produce a robust amount of cash flow. Okay. And do so in a time-efficient way. You know, what's the expression in regards to time and money? Time is money, right? So if we can reduce day trading from hours a day and all sorts of emotional and mental involvement and stress to something that we can just simply do a couple minutes a day without even hardly thinking about it at all. You just turn it into a habit and just do it, and then be able to set up a cash flow stream and then run multiple of these CFE Relentless, and then maybe some of our different perpetual pops based day trading systems signals, because they are similar, 2 minutes a night. Well, then the potential for multiple streams of income is very real. Okay, now I can't promise you future returns as per disclaimer talk, but we always have to base our future expectations based on a good chance of continued performance into the future on what has performed well in the past. Okay, of course, that's what is done for everything. Okay, so let's just get to it. Let's go look at the progression of trades. So you can see here, you have the relentless system here on GBP USD, okay, pound dollar. And you can see over this series of trades, right, you can see the progression. Here's the basic core relentless system. And then here is the turbo. You can see the performance behavior is different. Now, if you look at CFE Relentless and turbo on different Forex pairs, you're going to have different charts as well. Each Forex pair has its own characteristics and way of moving about. It's just, it's how it goes. So we have here the picture, okay, and the graph. So in this case, we see a more steady progression on the turbo version, and these are totally different trades. We figured it was easier for everyone, and these trades were so similar that they should be combined into one. That is, if you want to do the Relentless Pro, and we have this Pro because it's just extra trades. Some people may not want those extra trades and just they just maybe want a number of trades that comes with the main relentless approach. Okay, so we have here the profit and loss per trade and then the running totals. Okay, we start in here in March 1st to December 1st. Okay, so that's 9 months of price action. Okay, this is not as frequent as an perpetual pops trading signal service, which is trading pretty much every day. So you can see here 2,300 pips for very low effort, and we add the turbo to it, and you get another 25, near 2,600 pips for a total of 4,988 pips for 9 months. That's really nice, okay? And if You can have this type of performance continue out into the future, and do so with, as I mentioned, a couple minutes a day. Not every day, but on the days we trade, then that could be a very nice low effort side cash flow income, particularly in that over time, if you can grow your account and then compound the profits, which means that as your account grows, you grow your position size, okay, in proportion, in percent proportion to the size of your account. And then you're just, if you have consistent performance over time, consistent profitable performance, then you're just making more money more quickly, okay? Because you're starting to take off on this parabolic curve of account growth, and that's exciting. That's what Warren Buffett is so excited about, was so excited about over time, talking about compounding. But compounding takes what? A longer term vision in order to be consistent and simple over time. Okay, so this is a method that was developed for a greater solid approach. Right? It's not as fancy. It's not as finesse based. We just wanted to bang through and collect those profits. Just keep collecting. Okay, collect. That's why it's a one-day trade. Okay, one-day trade, and we're out. Get out before the close. All right. So if you're interested in learning more about this signal service, it's pretty easy. You can come to the website. Sign up in this series of emails that will educate you more about relentless trading signals and our different relentless trading signal service. Maybe you like a different instrument. And you can just get started, and you can contact us if you have any questions. Otherwise just get started. And seeing is believing, right? Just understand that there is a progression over time. You don't want to lose perspective, okay? In that, let's say you enter right here, okay, and you have all these wins in a row. You don't want to lose perspective when the markets shift and it gets a little confused, right? And what happened here? Okay, what happens is just a progression, a systematic progression of price behavior on the whole, and that's just how it goes over time. I mean, that's just standard, because if you want to have a type of system that has the ability to net out over time for real, then you're going to have these fluctuations. You have to have a system that can coordinate with these fluctuations. If you're looking for 100% winning all the time, well, I would suggest you don't even get involved in the market. I suggest you just, stop, because you're going to lose a lot of money. That's not the approach that works in trading. All right? Okay, I mean, you can learn that the easy way by listening to others who have experience, or you can learn it the expensive way, chasing the holy grail. All right? So I thought I'd mention that, because it's easy to lose perspective, particularly if someone's money desperate. You have to have this series of trades progression perspective in order to make big bucks, okay, over time. The big bucks are made over time. That's how it is. Okay, so here you have, it's 97 right now. The prices can change at any time, all right? But my point is that if you get turbo, it's a half price add-on. I think we're going to keep that consistent over time. All right, so I think some of you guys are going to really like this service, and it's going to help you out. So if you're interested, either go to the link below this video if you're not on bestradingsignals.net, or if you're on this page, you can just get started, click the add to cart button and start watching the trades, get a feel for them, and then if you want to trade them, that's up to you, right? Okay, thank you.